Hi guys, welcome to a lesson today where we're going to look at how we can show numbers in many different ways. Okay. Some of these ways you may already know and some may be new to you. So that's what we're going to explore today. So we could show a number with words. We could show a number using MABs or an abacus. We could show the number with numerals. We could use bundling sticks. We can even show numbers with addition and subtraction. So these are the things that you're going to learn about in this video lesson today. Here we have the number 11. Now, I have shown the number 11 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different ways here. There are many more ways I could show the number 11. These are just some examples. I could show it as a numeral. I could show it as a word. That's the word 11. I could show it on an abacus. And you may be familiar with an abacus from the work you did with tens and ones. I could show it using MAB blocks. I could show it using paddle pop sticks or bundling sticks. Okay, so these are just some ways that I can show one number. Okay, here we're going to do a little bit of sorting now. You're going to try and help me out. Okay, I have got two numbers here that I am showing in different ways. I'm trying to show the number 16 and the number 22. So I need to sort of match them all up. Okay, let's start with finding the numeral 16. I'm going to drag 16 to the top. That's the numeral. Okay, now let's see if we can drag underneath that numeral all the other things that are showing the same number. Okay, let's look for the abacus. So remember, this is the spikes with the beads that are showing the number 16. See if you can find it. Point to it on your screen. Okay, that's right. 16 is 1 10 and 6 ones. So this abacus here is showing 16 rather than this one here that has 2 10s and 2 1s. So I can drag that onto the numeral 16. All right, let's see if you can find another way to show the number 16. You may have spotted the word 16. Okay, that can be dragged underneath there. So far I've shown 16 with a numeral, with an abacus, and with a word. There's one more way that I've shown the number 16. Okay, with bundling sticks. So that could either be with paddle pop sticks or some of the other coloured bundling sticks that we have on our math shelf. Okay, so let's just check now. What ways have we shown the number 22? I've shown it with the numeral. I've shown it on an abacus. I've shown it with MABs. And I've shown the number 22 also with words. Now we should be familiar with these ways from the work that we did in our tens and ones unit. Okay, but let's just have a closer look and revise what we already know. So when we have the number 22, we know it has 2 10s and 2 1s. So each one of these representations of the number should be showing us 2 10s and 2 1s. So we can see on the abacus here that it has 2 in the tens column and 2 in the ones column. So that's why it's showing the number 22. Now let's look at our MABs. So we should have 2 10s, which we do, 1, 2, and 2 1s, which we do, 1, 2. And then the word 22. Let's have a look at the number 16 now. So we know 16 has 1 10 and 6 1s. So on our abacus, here we should have 1 in the tens column, which we do, 1 bead there, and 6 in the ones column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great. Here's the word 16. Now bundling sticks, we should have 1 bundle of 10 to show the 1 10, which we do here and here, and then we should have 6 ones, so 6 loose ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's showing the number 16. And then here, 1 bundle of 10, and there should be 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's also showing the number 16. Okay, now we're going to look at how we could use addition to show a number. Okay, so here's the number 34. And addition is just another word for adding or plus. Okay, so I know that 34 is the same as 30, because that's 3 tens, and 4. So I could put a plus sign, 30 plus 4. That's one way of showing 34. I know that if I had 31, I could add 3 more, and I would get 34. I could do 4 plus 30, just put it around this one around the other way. I could do 32 and 2 more. So there's lots of ways I could use addition to show this number 34. Okay, here's a bit of a challenge. We're going to look at using subtraction this time to show a 2-digit number. All right, subtraction is a takeaway, just in case you weren't sure of that. Okay, so I could think of the number that's 1 more than 56, so that would be 57, and take away 1, and I know that that would make 56. I could think of a number that was 2 more than 56, so 56, 57, 58, 58, and take away 2, and that would be a way to show 56 using a subtraction fact. Okay, that was a bit of a challenge. All right, now head back onto the wiki and check out what your practice task is for showing numbers in many different ways.